You're watching Big Facts, the biggest facts on the internet. This is a human for scale.
Facts, bro, really big facts. Yeah.
Now this Ferrari 458 Italia is worth around 200,000 British pounds, and it was crushed in a scrapyard 2 years ago because the owner of this car bought it from the auction but failed to show the proper owner's paperwork to police. Though later he managed to get these documents, but it was already too late. This is how the fire fountain looks like. This is 4 hours of planes landing at San Diego airport edited together into a short 23-second video. This is how blowing air bubbles under ice looks like. Air is being blown through a small hole in the ice.
Yo, what the fuck, bro?
What?
You just tagged that on my shoe?
Yeah, sorry.
This is how dangerous it can be to take a photo of a racing motorcycle.
Anya is dead.
By adding fake eyebrows to a dog, you can easily change how his mood looks like. Thank you for watching Big Facts. See you next time with even bigger facts.
Facts, bro, really big facts.